Hi, welcome to Magriza Made Me Cook, Principal Mahlangwe here. Thank you for subscribing. So, we're here at Munch and Sip. I think actually Bulawayo is premium food market, and we're here to experience different types of food. I'm also hosting a stall there where I'm going to be serving, also cooking my dishes that you usually see also on the show. But we're here mostly for the incredible work that's done by Mandipa and her team. We've actually brought this concept of Munch and Sip, which here in the city of Bulawayo is really a vibe. It's a place that you really need to go to. And Skyle, this is like the 12th of December. So it's actually the last event, I think major event in terms of the food festivals here in the city of Bulawayo.
Hi, my name is Ezra. So I'm part of the Smokehouse team and liquor supplies as well. We're here at Munch and Sip doing some drinks for y'all. Please come through and see our stand, and we have quite a number of shops across the city. So you can feel free to visit us at any time. Smokehouse is on 54 Fairbrigde Way, Islander, and liquor supplies have quite a number of shops in town. I'm sure you know already. So come through, enjoy Munch and Sip. Peace.
Fellow munchers and sippers, my name is Isabel and I'm representing Soko's Butcher's Block. We are a fairly new brand. We started working on the 8th of December 2020, and we obviously had to overcome a lot of adversities and a lot of setbacks with COVID-19, but we're happy to be here at Munch and Sip for I think the 4th or 5th time now. And our spirits are high, our morale is high, we're hoping to sell. In terms of location, we're located by 122 Jason Moyo Street, between 12th and 13th Avenue in town, next to Mbizo Meat Products, which is a family brand, and it's Soko's Butcher's Block. You will see it right there. I hope you all enjoy Munch and Sip this year in December, and that's it. Thank you.
My name is Rodney. I'm one of the founders of the Active Sushi. We are located at number 183 CCU Avenue in U-Side, next to police. And we also have got another branch by Machan Chope, number 22 Jaywick. And we have got a quite big, interesting menu with very nice food. We do sushi. Actually, we are one of the leading sushi bars in Bulawayo. We do very nice sushi in Bulawayo. I started the last Munch and Sip, which was like 3 months back, which was very nice. There was a high turnover of customers mingling around, enjoying, having fun. Believe me, the last Munch and Sip was very, very awesome, very, very fantastic. People were buying different stores, buying cocktails. The event was very successful. And in this event, the Munch and Sip, trust me, it's a big event. When I first spoke to Mandipa, I didn't know that she would attract a bigger number like I witnessed on the last Munch and Sip. So I'm very happy to be one of the people who participate in Munch and Sip event, and I would want to believe as long as I'm fit and healthy, I will be participating in each and every Munch and Sip. So that's it for me.
Munch in Bulawayo. Yo guys, gone to Zia, Pupa, and overall experience, it's been nice, it's been fun, and I won't lie to you guys, it's an experience that we want to continue having such events. They bring to, not only having fun, they bring together in marketing, and we socialize and we get to know each other better, business-wise, social-wise. But then again, in as much as we are going through a pandemic, it's been a great event. It's been a great event. The food and the drinks have been dope, and the prices were fair. We're not complaining. Everyone is having a good time, and let's do this again next year.
Okay, salibonani emakhaya, mina ibuzolami Christine. I am a returning diaspora living in Canada. I have been in Zimbabwe for about 2 weeks now, and coming back during the pandemic has been an overwhelming experience. Good and bad, but for now we're celebrating good things. We're out here celebrating Magriza, and we're also out here celebrating Munch and Sip. I'm so happy to be out here in Bulawayo, seeing everybody out, seeing all the young people just enjoying, and the Bulawayo culture, it's really picked up, and people are really out and about and free, which I really, really like. So I'm so happy to be back home. Home will always be home. You can always take the African out of Africa, but you can't take Africa out of the African. But thank you so much.